Would you like to grow Agapanthus at home? In this video by The Daily Eco, we provide a comprehensive guide on how to care for this plant. Light, temperature and location. Agapanthus plants require cool temperatures to bloom, but they are sensitive to frost and cold winds, which can damage their leaves. The minimum temperature they can tolerate is around -8 degrees Celsius, but at this point, the leaves may start dropping. It is not advisable to expose them to temperatures as low as -12 degrees Celsius. Therefore, the ideal climate for Agapanthus is a moderate zone. They thrive in semi-shaded areas or in full sunlight, but they don't do well in complete shade. For the most abundant flowering, it's best to expose them to full sun. Agapanthus plants are commonly cultivated in pots, borders, or as ground cover beneath trees, typically in direct soil. Planting them in groups is a popular choice due to their lush foliage, which creates a substantial ground cover. In very cold regions, it's crucial to position them against a sheltering wall or in easily movable pots. This way, you can bring them indoors and protect them from harmful frost. Certain varieties of Agapanthus are better suited for colder climates, particularly those with narrow leaves, which tend to be more resistant than those with wide leaves. Soil and compost. When cultivating this plant, it is crucial to use loose and porous soil with excellent drainage. This allows the roots and tubers to grow freely without becoming cramped. The soil should also be rich in nutrients and drain well. To achieve these conditions, prepare a mixture of universal soil by combining equal parts of peat and warm humus. Additionally, add 2 handfuls of perlite, volcanic gravel or vermiculite, depending on what is available. Fertilizing the plant in spring is recommended to promote flowering, and using a nitrogen-based fertilizer specifically designed for Agapanthus is advisable. Applying a layer of mulch helps maintain soil conditions and prevents moisture loss. In colder regions, it is crucial to protect the soil surface from harsh elements. But before we continue, here's a question for you. How long does it typically take for Agapanthus to flower? From 6 months to 1 year, from 1 to 2 years, from 2 to 3 years, none of the above. Think about it carefully, because at the end of the video, you can check if you were right. Are you finding this information useful? Remember, you can support the channel's growth by giving us a super thanks. Watering. Fortunately, Agapanthus plants do not require excessive watering, which sets them apart from many other vibrant flowering plants. They can tolerate occasional periods of drought. However, it is important to increase the frequency of watering during hot weather to ensure they receive adequate moisture. In winter, it is recommended to space out the watering sessions, as the plant's water requirements are generally lower during this time. Pruning. To practice responsible gardening, it is essential to promptly remove faded flowers from Agapanthus plants. This prevents the production of seeds and helps prevent the spread and colonization of unwanted areas. Unlike some other plants, Agapanthus typically do not require pruning for shaping purposes, as they naturally grow in an orderly manner. However, it is advisable to remove withered leaves to prevent them from diverting energy from healthy ones. Agapanthus reproduction. The most common method of reproducing Agapanthus is through root division. It's important to note that during the first year, the plant focuses on establishing itself and may not flower until the second year. Root division is typically performed in winter or after the flowering period. This process not only allows for reproduction but also serves as maintenance to keep the mother plant in good condition. It is generally recommended to divide the roots every 4 or 5 years. Alternatively, Agapanthus can also be propagated from seeds, which can be obtained from the flowers themselves or purchased from specialized stores. When planting Agapanthus, it's important to leave a separation of 40 centimeters between each plant, considering their growth potential. And going back to the question we asked you earlier, have you thought it through? The correct answer is C. Agapanthus has a slow growth rate and it may take 2 to 3 years for the plant to flower. However, this time is primarily for acclimatization. Once the plant has established itself after being planted, it will bloom every year when the summer arrives. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. We would love to hear your feedback. Let us know in the comments if you are considering growing this plant in your home. Until next time!